Hello and welcome to Toothless Tesla. I've just received in the post from Hong Kong HKeToll my vehicle tag, which I can use for all the tunnels in Hong Kong. Now the government has implemented this vehicle tag system and used Hong Kong HKeToll as the vendor, so that all vehicles in Hong Kong need to install a vehicle tag. Now my vehicle tag happens to be one of these stick-on tags, and I have been advised to place this vehicle tag on the top of my wing mirror. So these are the instructions that I received, and this is the top of the wing mirror. So I have to install this vehicle tag on the top of the wing mirror. But I was expecting a vehicle tag where I would be placing it on the inside of my windscreen. I didn't receive that, so I sent an email to ask whether I could have that option. And I'll show you the email reply that I received from Hong Kong HKeToll in just a moment. But since I've been waiting for an answer, I've been driving through certain tunnels in Hong Kong which have implemented this vehicle tag system. And I noticed that these tunnels have already installed a license plate recognition system. So even without a vehicle e-tag, the system has already recognized my car and has charged me. So my question is, do I need to install any of these vehicle tags, whether it is a stick-on wing mirror vehicle tag or a inside windscreen vehicle tag? If the system is already recognizing my car, I may not even need to install these vehicle tags. What do you think? Please share your comments below. So at this point, I just want to talk briefly about the existing Autotoll system in Hong Kong, which to me is pure exploitation and thankfully will be obsolete and replaced by HKeToll. But let's not kid ourselves about this unjust system. Whoa, stop. Autopilot. Let's see autopilot go through. No stopping. No stopping, it says. Whoa, what's going to happen here? Autopilot. Ooh, can do it. Autotoll requires vehicle owners to apply for their RFID tags. The private company claims its technology will detect their RFID tags, and they have a backup automatic number plate recognition system to detect vehicles too. For this service, we are led to believe that Autotoll requires vehicle owners to pay a monthly fee of $35 or $4 just to use their convenient technology that will allow quicker passage through the tolls. Let's do the math. According to the Transport Department, there are about 800,000 registered vehicle owners in Hong Kong. Let's say 100,000 of those use Autotoll. That's an annual fee of 42 million Hong Kong dollars or 5.4 million US dollars. And this annual fee goes to the private company for what? For not doing much. Since I've been driving in Hong Kong, I have never agreed in the principle to pay Autotoll's monthly administration fee. I saw it as pure exploitation, and finally, I have been vindicated. The new HKeToll does not charge vehicle owners a monthly fee. They don't even charge vehicle owners to pay for their vehicle tags. In fact, from my discovery, you can now see that vehicle owners may not even have to install HKeToll vehicle tags at all, because they have an automatic license plate recognition system. So why should I be wasting my time to apply for a vehicle tag when the system automatically recognizes my car? In fact, from HKeToll's reply to my email inquiry, they already know my type of vehicle, which is why they automatically decided to send me an exterior vehicle tag. I have questioned this lack of an option, and they said that I could book an appointment to their service center to collect an interior vehicle tag. But that just wastes more of my time, because I need to book an appointment before I can collect the vehicle tag. Why can't they just send it to me by post, like they did with my exterior vehicle tag? All of this faffing around makes me realize that I don't want any vehicle tags in my Tesla. Let's just use the vehicle license recognition system that they already deploy, because as you can see, it works seamlessly. Until otherwise advised, I'm just going to let the vehicle license recognition system technology from HKeToll work its magic. Happy to hear your thoughts, so please share your comments below. As always, thanks for watching and stay safe.